What if you could recreate the look and feel of a short drama scene using AI? Today, I'm taking inspiration from one of the featured short dramas from the CapCut creator library and rebuilding the entire sequence using GPT Image 2.0 for image generation, Seedance 2.0 for AI video generation, and CapCut PC for editing. And by the end of this video, you'll see exactly how everything comes together. Before we get into the tutorial, here's the result.
A faint, menacing whisper is heard.
Welcome to the channel where AI stops being confusing and starts being fun. You'll find exciting tools, clever automations, and time-saving hacks that turn ideas into reality quicker than ever. Hit play, your workflow won't be the same.
For this project, I'm using a short drama scene as inspiration from the CapCut creator library. The goal isn't to make an exact copy. Instead, I'm recreating the character style, atmosphere, and scene progression using AI-generated assets created entirely inside CapCut PC. The first step is creating our characters with GPT Image 2.0 inside CapCut PC. Instead of creating a single image, I'm using batch generation to create multiple character variations at once. This is especially useful for AI short drama production because different scenes require different expressions, poses, camera angles, and emotions while maintaining a consistent character design. I'm creating several versions of the same character across different scenes, so I have more flexibility later when generating video. Batch generation saves a huge amount of time and helps maintain consistency throughout the entire AI short drama workflow. One thing I like here is how easy it is to build a complete character library from a simple idea. This gives me a strong visual foundation before moving into AI video. Next, I need environments. Instead of searching for assets, I can generate locations that match the tone of the scene using GPT Image 2.0. I'm also using batch generation here to quickly create multiple scene variations. Creating both characters and environments inside the same CapCut PC workflow makes it easier to maintain a consistent visual style throughout the AI short drama. Now it's time to bring everything to life. I'm using Seedance 2.0 with image to video because it allows me to animate the character and scene while keeping the overall design consistent. For the first shot, I'm creating a simple character entrance. Then I generate a wider scene to establish the environment. This close-up helps add emotion and variety to the sequence. Finally, I create a motion shot to connect everything together. One thing that really stands out here is the motion quality. Using Seedance 2.0, movements feel smooth and natural. Character appearances remain consistent across shots, and it's easy to experiment with different camera angles and scene variations. Once all the shots are generated, it's time to assemble the sequence inside CapCut PC. I'm arranging the clips inside CapCut PC's multi-track editor and refining the pacing. This stage is where individual clips start to feel like one connected scene. Even small adjustments to timing, transitions, and audio can make a huge difference. Now let's compare the inspiration with the final recreation.
A faint, menacing whisper is heard.
One of the biggest challenges in AI short drama production is creating enough high-quality shots without blowing your budget. That's why I'm excited for Seedance 2.0 4K, coming soon to CapCut with sharper visuals, richer details, and more cinematic storytelling. And if you need more scenes, more takes, and faster iterations, Seedance 2.0 Mini helps you generate more content at a lower cost while keeping the quality strong. So that's my complete workflow for recreating an AI short drama scene using CapCut PC. I used GPT Image 2.0 for batch image generation, Seedance 2.0 to animate the scenes, and CapCut PC's multi-track editor to assemble everything together. If you'd like to try this AI short drama workflow yourself, check out the link below and explore CapCut PC. And let me know in the comments which AI short drama scene or style I should recreate next. Thanks for watching.